Yo, you guys, welcome back to a brand new vid. Now, I'm sorry because I have been in a long absence, and I'm very sorry because my computer stopped working, and yeah, my computer stopped working. Hold on. Okay, I'm back, guys. Okay. There are like, oh my gosh, I just pushed this girl off. Haha. So, hold on, guys. I'll be right back. I'm gonna shut the door. As you may know, I have been in a long absence. I have been absent on YouTube for like 5 days. I'm sorry about that. Because I couldn't get my father. This is actually my father's computer I'm using. He couldn't get the computer on. So it kind of sucked for me because this is the only place that I could play Roblox on. And then I couldn't. So I was really mad because this is the only place I could play Roblox on since it doesn't work on mobile anymore. Since it doesn't work on my mobile anymore, it still works on iOS devices, but it won't let me download it. It's just not gonna let me download it. Hold on, guys. Yes, I do. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Hey, guys. So, I'm back right now. No! All these people are coming. No! I keep dying. No! Why do I keep falling? This stage is pretty easy. So, what you guys, this is the iPhone 12 Obby. As you may know, about a year ago I played the Escape the new iPhone 11 Pro Obby. As you guys remember, hopefully you guys remember that, because that was so much fun to play. I don't know if that game's still available. But if it is, I'll leave it in the link for you to play it. But it's not, iPhone 11 isn't really new anymore. It's like an old model now because the iPhone 11 is pretty much I don't think anyone even uses the iPhone 11 anymore, which is pretty sad because it has really good views and all. I mean, my family members use it. Well, some of them. My 2 brothers and my sister. Those are the only people that use it. Those are the actual only people that even use it in my family. Or it could be more. But I don't know. I wish I had the iPhone 11 Pro. So I know. I'm not going to be able to do 73 stages in like a few minutes or so. So I'm just gonna end it off in a few minutes or so, because this is only my coming back video, because I was in for a long absence, about like a week, because this computer stopped working, but it works again, so I can finally play Roblox again, which I'm happy about. What's this girl doing? She waiting for me? What is she doing? Oh my gosh. You know what, guys? I'm just going to end it off here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye.